Hello and welcome back to Pure Science Education. Today we will be looking at tests for gases. This comes up as part of GCSE and A-level exams. In GCSE, this is mainly paper 2 and module C12. So let's look at how we will find out which gas is present. So if we're testing for carbon dioxide, you will just bubble carbon dioxide through lime water and it will turn milky or cloudy as shown in this diagram here. If you was to test for hydrogen, it's called a Squeaky Pop Test. So what you do is you collect the hydrogen gas as shown here. You then get a splint, a light splint that's got fire on it. Then you put it into the gas and it should make a squeaky pop. If I was to look for the test for oxygen, I need to have a glowing splint. Now the glowing splint as shown in this diagram, it does not have a fire but has an orange head. If you then put this in the presence of oxygen, then it will relight the glowing splint. So the test is relighting glowing splint. Finally, the test for chlorine is it bleaches blue litmus paper, red and then white. So it goes, the damp blue litmus paper will turn red because chlorine is slightly acidic in nature, and then it goes white because it bleaches the paper. So the other things they can ask is how will you create these gases? So if you was to create carbon dioxide, you'll just get some form of carbonate like calcium carbonate, and you will add it to hydrochloric acid where carbon dioxide can be produced and collected. For hydrogen, you just get a reactive metal. Here you put in water or you can put in acid and you can collect hydrogen. In terms of oxygen, you're going to need hydrogen peroxide and manganese dioxide to produce oxygen and collect it. In terms of chlorine, this practical is done or demoed by the teacher and it's not expected for the student to know, but you should know how to test for it. Thank you for listening.